The foldable that we use, if you will just take a piece of paper, you can grab one and hold it the hot dog way. Fold it in like this. Fold it, and then take it and fold 2 doors, and then rip 4 doors, and what you have is what we call a 4-door. And then we label the doors, predict, question, clarify, and summarize, and the kids open it and write on it. And of course, you can have kids write in the Zoom chat, what's your word to clarify, what's your question. You can have kids go into breakouts and fill out a Google Doc, and that's what we've been doing a lot of to get this going. Because the idea is the teacher takes a turn to model and the kids take a turn to do it. And kids like doing it because it's not a worksheet, it's a process. And there we have a child saying, I don't like worksheets.